Okay, guys, in this video, we will be checking out the amazing opportunity we are most likely to get from these two assets. Okay, so we will be breaking them out one after the other, check out what we are most likely to get right from there. So we'll be checking out GainX 999 and also GainX 1200. Okay, so and of course, we're going to see what we can get from these two assets. Okay. But before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay. So, and of course, guys, if you have any question, you can drop your question down there. I mean, in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay. Just like you guys have known, I love trading or doing my analysis on 15-minute time frame. And of course, I love using this setup. It is a custom made indicator and it is called the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. Let's start with GainX 9. Okay. This is GainX 9. And if you should remember, few days ago, we actually traded the spiky part of the GainX 9, the GainX 999, and of course, we got an uptrend signal right from this support region since it's unable to break out from there. So we plugged into it, even though we had a major pullback around there, but it still gave us lots of profit at the end of the day. You can see we had the opportunity to trade it right from here till this very moment. Okay, so that's so amazing. So ever since I've been waiting for it to either break out from this resistance zone or change the direction of the trend. So in the ninth, it's decided to change the direction of the trend. Okay, so we are on it at the moment. Okay, we are on it at the moment. It started a downtrend, gave us a sell signal at this point, and of course, it has been selling since then. It has got into this region. I actually thought it would have taken care of this particular TP highlighted around there, but it went back a bit and of course playing around there for a while. Okay, so I believe it should go back again and try to achieve this TP. It has achieved the first TP, the second TP already. So I hope that it will go back and continue with the trend after this pullback and this TP and even this and this. Okay, so this is very, very important. So let's put an eye on this and of course, let's see how it will go and make sure if you have been in the trade already, make sure you use a good and reasonable um, risk management system. Okay, you can use your stop loss to trail up whatever you are getting at the moment. Okay, because of the playing around that is happening around there. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so we expect more selling opportunity right from there. That is if the pullback does not break out from this resistance zone. Okay, so now let's move on. Now let's check out the next 1200. This is very, very important. Okay, if you remember a few days ago also, we actually traded the spiky part of GainX 1200 on 15 minutes time frame, and of course, we started from here. From here, this is where I gave out the signal in the Telegram channel. Okay, so and of course got to this region. After that, we decided to sell because this is a resistance zone, okay, and it didn't break out above it. So it changed the direction into a downtrend and we sold for a while, but it didn't go too far before turning back to break out above this resistance zone. So we changed from selling to buying again till we bought till it got to this particular region. All these are 15-minute time frame, okay? So this is the beautiful part of it. So we have been waiting for it to see if it will break out above this resistance zone or it will change the direction of the trend from an uptrend into a downtrend. And as we can see, it's most likely for it to go into a downtrend fully because it's already giving us the downtrend signal and the sell signal. So I will advise you to look into this right away. So let's see how we can plug into this. Okay. Before you can plug into this, I will advise you to wait for it to get to this region. Okay. So one, this should be your entry point, okay, because it is still playing around here for a while. So let's make this point our entry point And if it breaks out from there, once it picks the entry point, then remember this is 15-minute time frame, so this is going to be a lot of profit, okay? And a little distance is going to be a lot of profits right here, okay? So I've highlighted first TP, second TP, and of course, let's move on, guys. I expect it to get to this spot, okay? So this is going to be the fourth TP, and of course, if it breaks out from there, we expect it to get to this particular region, which would be the fifth TP. Okay, now let's set the stop loss also, which is also very, very important, okay? So I don't want the stop loss to be too far from the entry point, okay, so that it won't take out a major part of the capital from there, okay? So this is very, very important. So I'm going to put my stop loss somewhere here. Okay, so this is going to be my stop loss. So we expect more of a selling opportunity right from there. So I decided to put the entry points at this point. And the reason is I wanted to break out from this region that it has been moving up and down for a while. Okay, so once it breaks out from there, then we coming in at this point will give us a good entry point, and of course we will be able to milk the market for a while. Okay, so and of course we achieving the first TP alone will give us a lot of profit. Okay, and of course if the market favors us very well, I believe we should achieve all the TPs at least to till it gets to this particular spot. Okay, which is very, very important. Okay, so I want you guys to follow up with this signal, and of course make sure you get the best out of it. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, you can easily drop your question for me in the comment section, or probably you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.